Babies, it's your girl Where Secrets coming at you with another video. Before we get started, please make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell another friend, tell another friend, tell a family member, because we L-I-T-T-Y, we litty over here. And y'all told me that y'all wanted to see more nail videos, and that's one thing, I'm a woman of my word. And we getting jiggy with it. Nah. Oh, I just showed like my age, like for real. Okay. If you know that song, you know. If you don't, it's okay. It's okay. So y'all know me. I'm all about sharing the knowledge that I have. And the new thing for those who aren't really into, doing acrylic nails, which is fine. Some people don't like acrylic nails because, maybe they have nail beds that don't allow them to wear acrylic nails longer, or they have short nail beds, or, maybe they just want to wear their nails nice for, an event or just for an occasion, but they don't really like the thought of wearing acrylics 24/7, because acrylics is 24/7 most of the time, anyway, we're not talking about that. But the new thing, y'all, or it's been a thing, because I know when I was younger, I used to wear the Kiss press-on nails, the French tips, throwbacks. But yeah, basically, they say, old things that happen in history usually come back as far as like fashions and stuff. It repeats itself. So y'all, people are really into press-ons, and press-ons, they're not, how they used to be like back in the day when you would go to the beauty supply store, or what was it, Rite Aid, Walgreens, CVS. They would just have the Kiss brand, just simple stuff, nothing too out there. Now they got them bedazzled, gemmed out, looking like this and stuff. So y'all, I'm going to show you or tell you what type of tools you need to make your own press-ons. Now, we ain't going to be decorating them and stuff like that, but just the stuff that you need. So this little bar comes with these little models. Basically, you use these to put the nails on. Now with press-ons, it just depends on how rough you are with nails. Sometimes people put a thin layer of acrylic on the press-ons to make them harden so they won't be bendable. So like when you're, pressing on stuff and, doing stuff like that, they won't bend, because that can also hurt your nail beds. So y'all, these are just some simple ones I did. But to get something this similar, like this look, all you need is this thing right here. Matter of fact, let me take this off. You're going to need this putty. This putty comes off, so you don't got to worry about this being on here. Hold on, y'all, because this is like gum. Hold on now. So you just take the putty off. It's removable. But this putty is basically and you can reuse the putty. Just simple putty. You will put this on the nail. Let me just show you. This is the putty I use for this. It's called Loctite. It's basically, they call it Fun Tack. It's, you can use it for classrooms if you don't want to, put holes in the walls, but you can actually use this to put on the back of your, y'all, my mind be gone. The back of the press-ons to keep them on here so you can paint them and put acrylic on them and stuff like that. So it comes like this, and you just tear off a little piece and roll it up in a ball, and it, tacks on to the nail and that. So we're just going to put that right there. So when it comes to press-ons, y'all, I'm telling y'all, go on Amazon. Y'all know me, I don't have my license. I'm not a licensed nail technician. I never went to school for it. So, I get all my supplies from Amazon or King, my local beauty supply store. So with press-ons, y'all, they come in all the shapes: squared, tapered squared, ballerina, stiletto nails, everything. You can get them in the natural color. You can get them in clear. And with press-ons, the difference between press-ons and nail tips is the nail tips only fit the tip of the nail. The press-ons cover the entire nail itself. So you don't have to apply acrylic if you don't want to. So like I purchased these off of Amazon. As you can see, these are full coverage. So with press-ons, you want full coverage. You got some people that make press-ons with, tips and, the foils and stuff like that, or not the foils, y'all, I can't even think right now. They use them with the when you don't use the nail tips, the other one, the nail forms and stuff like that. But if you just want to keep it plain and simple, just get you full coverage nail press on. Now, when I mean you want them sturdy, unless you were going to put like acrylic on top of them, how this is kind of bendable. So you might have to be real careful with that. And as you can see, like on the side, it bended some. So you have those press-ons. Usually you can purchase these from Amazon or your local beauty supply store. Now these ones, and I'm going to try to link these down below. These are by Sulmar, S-U-L-L-M-A-R, Sulmar. And these are the stiletto ones, clear. And these are a little bendable too. But once you put the glue on, it shouldn't, like, it don't bend for real that way. So that's good. That means it's sturdy. So with these ones, you can just paint them. And let me just show y'all how I would put two on. And as y'all can see, you see how it just sticks. So we're just going to take this, and then you just press down a little firmly, not, you know, enough to break the nail, and then you just sit it on here. And then this is another one. Is this open? I ain't open, we gonna open it up today. Let me be careful because I'm not trying to spill these everywhere. Oh no, this thing is being stubborn. Okay, there we go. Let me just do the neutral color or natural color. To show the, you know, the difference. So once again, you take this and you just tack on this blue little putty like that. You take your nail and you just put it on like this. Therefore you can, you know, keep it stationary, or this thing's falling off. Keep it stationary, or, you know, pick it up so you can, you know, polish it and things of that nature. And it's pretty convenient. Do a nail at a time or do all 5 at a time, and it's just easier. Then when you're done, you can put your nails back on the tack and, you know, keep them here for storage or for safe keepings. And y'all, this is how you can make press-ons easy. I'm definitely going to link everything down below. And y'all, look, so simple. And I did get some polish right there. That's okay. That could probably come off with some acetone. But yeah, y'all, this is how you would just make your press-ons. Something easy, depending on your length. If you want to cut them down, make them longer. You know, Amazon have all types of sizes when it comes to nail length and nail shapes, but definitely check it out. If you just want to, you know, make some simple press-ons, you can, you know, design them, bling them out, whatever the case may be, y'all. But this is definitely a good investment when you're just looking for something temporary to wear, if you're not into the acrylic, which is fine. But y'all, definitely check down below for the links, and I hope to see you guys in the next video.